Hello everyone, this problem happens when you are trying to update many plugins on your website that is on WordPress. If it happens, go to your hosting, find File Manager and check for the file that calls maintenance in the root of your website. If you have it, you will just delete it. If you don't have it, then you need to find where it is located. In my case, it is a part of the plugin Elementor. Then I just need to follow this path, find these two files and deactivate the mode. So I'm going to WP content, plugins. I need Elementor plugin and then includes the folder, and here's my files. I just rename it for now, and this will help to deactivate this mode. Now I'm going back to my website and I can see that backend is working, everything is okay. Now I'm gonna check how the front end is working, whether it still has the problem or not. Usually if the backend is fixed, the front end is fixed too. Now I need to go back to File Manager and rename it back, just in case if I will need it. Okay, that's it. If you want to learn more about website design and marketing, follow me.